Hello there. Ever wondered what your world would look like if you could see beyond the visible light spectrum? Humans have always been limited to a narrow band of what we call visible light. But imagine a reality where our vision could perceive radio waves, microwaves, even ultraviolet or X-rays. How drastically different would our view be? Let's take a journey across the spectrum, starting with radio waves. If you could see radio waves, your daily commute might look like you're traveling through a sea of colors, as these waves are all around us, transmitting signals. Moving on to microwaves. You might even get to see your Wi-Fi signal radiating out from your router, painting a piece of invisible art in your living room. Imagine being able to see ultraviolet rays. This would reveal a hidden world of patterns and colors, especially in nature. Some birds and insects can already see in ultraviolet, and it gives them an edge in finding food and mates. But what about the harmful X-rays? If we could visually perceive them, hospital visits for X-rays might be a bit different, don't you think? These invisible parts of the spectrum pervade our daily life, from the microwave we use to the cell phones we can't live without. The ability to see them would certainly give us a drastically different perspective of the world around us. But let's not forget another important aspect: human cognition. Regardless of what we physically perceive, our mind interprets these perceptions and shapes our reality accordingly. Even within the range of visible light, what we see is an interpretation by our brains, and not necessarily an exact representation of reality. Understanding how we perceive and interpret the world around us could give us deeper insights into our very existence. Today, we are only beginning to understand the intricacies of this perception and interpretation. Yet, it's fascinating to ponder the endless possibilities of cognitive enhancement and sensory augmentation. Who knows, perhaps one day, we may be able to stretch our perceptual capabilities through technological advancements and witness the universe like never before, uncovering aspects hidden from us today because of our limited perception. Imagine walking down a street and seeing not just colors but a symphony of waves and patterns emitted by everything around you. Would it be overwhelming? Or would it be the next step in the evolution of human perception and understanding? We are continuously exploring these unknown territories, unraveling mysteries of perception, cognition, and the invisible dimensions around us. Imagine being a part of this exciting journey.
Would you be ready to take the first step?
Perhaps who we are and how we see ourselves is more fluid than we think. Step into the future with us as we delve into the uncharted territories of sensory enhancement. Our quest for the unprecedented begins now. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating exploration into the realms of sight, perception, and beyond. Stay tuned with us at Nuance of Neurons for more exciting journeys into the wonders of science and cognition. Until then, here's an enchanting thought. What if you already have the ability to see beyond, deep within? Remember, it all starts with a nuance in your neurons.